hopefully. This run starts off with a few jumps, as you can see, a little step up and a bit of a gap coming into here over the slab. Comes over a little bit flat just before we drop in to the main kind of wooded section. A few little options on lines down through here. And a few little sniper routes to catch you out. Sam's going in on the high line. And then coming into the main line around a tight right hand turn, up and over some roots and into a gully, tight left, and then this section is a pretty fast little bit of trail, although covered in leaves right now. Pretty hard to see where you're going.